I'm here in the first floor master bedroom on the east side of this custom home. You'll notice above me, if you can see it on the camera, that the attic space is above us. It's a vented attic, which means that attic in the wintertime is going to be cold, just as cold as it is outside. Our insulation is going to be at the ceiling level. That creates a big issue for us when we have our sprinkler system and our sprinkler pipes in the ceiling. We actually need to box around those pipes and insulate them, typically with foam, so that it's airtight and plenty of R value so that the pipes don't freeze. And you can see that we've got some insulation board on the top side of our ceiling joists, creating a box around the pipe. Now what we will do is we'll create all those boxes where all our piping is exposed to potential freezing, cold air. And then we'll come back with the insulator and he will foam, spray foam, typically closed cell. He'll even get the inside of the box and the outside of the box. So it creates this nice warm pocket for the piping so that it doesn't freeze.